Chicago actually here. We are passing Michigan Avenue towards I think here is a almost Grand Park.
Yeah, it's kind of like Grant Park and Millennium Park.
Yeah.
Just kind of merged together.
Yeah. It's a very beautiful place here.
Oh yeah, Grant Park South and North garages are to the left. So we are over Grant Park.
We had a very, very nice night last night, and
The AC unit is working well.
Yeah, eventually when we do the whole our camp video, you guys gonna see that too. So here we are. You see, there's a Grand Park right here.
It's a beautiful fountain.
It's very beautiful. Last week we were here, or 2 weeks ago we were here.
2 weeks.
Yeah. It's so beautiful. This area is just phenomenal.
And today we're heading north on the lake shore.
Yeah.
Hopefully get some parking at the start of a trailhead to avoid having to pay for parking.
Yeah, that's a hope.
And then walking down towards the beach. And if you're not from this part of the United States, or you've never really seen Lake Michigan, oftentimes people mistake it for being an ocean
Yeah.
because you just can't see the other side.
Yeah, that's right. It's big.
Now, if you look up some really good photographers from St. Joe,
Uh-huh.
they can, on a perfectly clear day, during the sunset, they can actually see the skyline, the outline of the city of Chicago.
Oh, yeah.
But you have to have like a really good camera.
Yeah.
But there's plenty of those examples. So I mean, it's big, but it's not impossible to see the other side.
So, speak of Lake Michigan, and here we are. You guys see the Lake Michigan across. This city has a lot to offer, so if you guys, all the time I say this, hopefully I'm not exaggerating it. If you guys never been in Chicago, come see it. We never regret any time we've been here. Like last night we just went to Oktoberfest and we saw some art and we went to our favorite restaurant. So
It's just good stuff.
yeah.
And I have never felt unsafe, honestly.
Yeah. The people who talk about unsafe, being, everywhere can be like dangerous, but you should know where you are going. So please don't find those excuses to ruin your life.
Honestly, and I doubt those people who say that have ever even been to Chicago.
Yeah.
There is so much money here.
Yeah. And hopefully we can get lucky for that spot. We can go to the beach. If not, we're still gonna go to the beach. We're gonna find a place to park our
Where there's a will, there's a
car.
way.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard that phrase?
Huh?
Where there's a will, there's a way.
Yeah. I heard it, but I didn't know what does that mean.
surfboard, but it floats above the water.
Yeah, it has a little motor. Yeah, we are going to be enjoying this part of the town this time. And on the right-hand side of the view, you guys see there's a lot of people walking around and walking on the shore.
And out here, we're getting to the actual beach where you can walk into the water.
Yeah, and here, the beach.
Chicago did something pretty smart.
Yeah.
They actually created some walls to make a cove so that the waves aren't as dangerous, so you can swim easily.
We haven't been in this part of the town actually. So I'm excited to see this part. And we have to get our bikes, and one day we just bike entire this area.
This looks nice. Wonder why they didn't do that low 5K down here.
That would be nice actually.
There's no parking.
So we're just taking a loop here. Let's see how it goes. It doesn't look like we can have a
It's valet parking. Restaurante.
Okay. We're just gonna show you guys around, and we might just be
Keep an eye on him.
yeah.
Down 3 lights.
So the guy actually we stopped here. I wish we
His name was
ran.
Dave. Hi, Dave.
Yeah, hi Dave, and if you are following the channel, so yeah, we got advice from him to find a spot to park our van.
Said the street has free parking down it, so
Yeah,
we're gonna
so-
check it out. I would not want to be standing out here in black though. No wonder he was standing in the shade.
Yeah. So yeah, we are going to find a spot to park our car and then
Crossover.
cross over and enjoy this area.
glad that they kept this as a road and didn't choose to develop it and have the road set back a little bit.
Yeah.